Hi, today I'm going to show you how to connect Steam to PS5. So, the first step to do this is understanding the limitation. It's important. You cannot directly install or link Steam on PS5 because PS5 does not support Steam or Steam Link. The only way is streaming Steam games from a PC. So, this is a workaround, not a native connection. So, for this workaround, what you need before starting is make sure you have a gaming PC with Steam installed, a PlayStation 5, a stable Wi-Fi or LAN on both devices, and a DualSense controller. PS Remote Play app on your PC. This setup lets your PS5 act as the bridge. Now, install PS Remote Play on your PC. Go to the official PlayStation Remote Play site, download and install PS Remote Play, sign in with your PlayStation account, and connect your PS5 to the app. You will now see your PS5 screen on your PC. Now, step 4 is launching Steam through Remote Play. Open Steam on your PC, switch Steam to Big Picture mode, start any Steam game, and your PS5 controller inputs pass through Remote Play to Steam. Now, step 5 is using PS5 controller with Steam. So connect your DualSense to PC through USB or Bluetooth, open Steam, navigate to Settings, click Controller, then enable PlayStation controller support. Steam now fully recognizes your PS5 controller. Now, for a smoother gameplay, use wired LAN if possible, lower remote play resolution, close background apps on PC, and run games in windowed mode. This reduces input lag and stuttering. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.